Imagine waking up to find your world blanketed in snow, except it wasn't just any snow. In February 1899, the southeastern United States faced the Great Blizzard, a weather event so severe it redefined winter. Starting with temperatures plunging to record lows, this storm brought with it a staggering amount of snow and ice, causing chaos from Florida to Maryland. Railroads were halted, cities were immobilized, and people experienced unprecedented conditions. In places like Atlanta, the snow accumulated to depths unseen before. This blizzard showcased nature's raw power, surprising all with its ferocity, and is a testament to the unpredictable nature of our climate history.